In the heart of London, I found refuge in a quaint tea shop during a torrential downpour. Everyone inside was clutching a sandwich, from cucumber to hefty BLTs. The sandwich is more than just a meal in Britain. It's an institution, a way of life. Observe the bustling streets of any British city. The energy is palpable, with people moving briskly, each with their own destination in mind. Notice the hurried lunch breaks, the picnics in the park, the quick bites on the go. These moments of respite are often accompanied by a simple yet satisfying meal. The average Briton consumes a staggering number of sandwiches each year. It's a culinary staple that transcends age, profession, and social status. This love affair with the sandwich is a testament to the British palate's fondness for simplicity and hearty flavors. Whether it's a classic ham and cheese or a more adventurous filling, the sandwich is a versatile delight. From cheese and pickle to coronation chicken, there's a sandwich for every taste and occasion. Each bite tells a story of tradition and innovation, of comfort and convenience. A sandwich requires no elaborate preparation, making it perfect for the British temperament, always in a hurry, yet never wanting to miss out on a good feed. It's a meal that fits seamlessly into the fast-paced lifestyle, offering nourishment and satisfaction in every bite. In this kingdom of portable feasts, certain sandwiches reign supreme. The BLT, with its crisp bacon, juicy tomatoes, and fresh lettuce, is the undisputed king. The classic cheese and pickle, with tangy cheddar and sweet pickle, proves that less is more. The prawn mayonnaise, with succulent prawns and creamy mayo, exudes sophistication. The chicken salad and the versatile ham sandwich round out the top contenders. Our journey takes us back to the 18th century, to the grand estates of the English aristocracy. It was a time of opulence and indulgence where the elite enjoyed lavish lifestyles and extravagant meals. John Montagu, the fourth Earl of Sandwich, was an avid gambler. He demanded a meal that wouldn't interrupt his card game, something he could eat with one hand while holding his cards with the other. Thus, the sandwich, a simple yet ingenious concept of meat between two slices of bread, was born. This convenient meal allowed him to continue his games without pause. It quickly spread beyond the upper classes, becoming a fixture in British society. The convenience and versatility of the sandwich made it popular among all social strata. By the Victorian era, countless variations emerged, catering to every taste and budget. From simple ham and cheese to elaborate creations, the sandwich became a beloved staple in British cuisine. Constructing a sandwich is an art, a British finesse that elevates it to a symphony of flavors. Select your bread wisely, it forms the foundation. The filling possibilities are endless, from ham and mustard to coronation chicken. Experiment with spreads and condiments for added flavor. Apply fillings evenly, ensuring every bite is delightful. A well-made sandwich should be a joy to behold, a testament to your culinary prowess. In this modern age, not everyone has the time to craft their own sandwiches. British supermarkets offer a smorgasbord of pre-made options. From budget-friendly meal deals to extravagant pre-packaged offerings, there's something for everyone. Be warned, not all sandwiches are created equal. Some may leave you underwhelmed, but others, especially from upmarket supermarkets, can be surprisingly delightful. The sandwich occupies a curious position in British culture, a staple that bridges the gap between a quick snack and a satisfying meal. It's not quite haute cuisine, but far from mere fast food, embodying a unique blend of simplicity and sophistication. A true British sandwich must be portable, eaten with one's hands, making it the perfect companion for a busy day or a leisurely outing. Cutlery is forbidden unless it's afternoon tea, where the rules of etiquette take precedence. A sandwich should never be soggy. Layer fillings strategically to maintain texture and flavor. The perfect British sandwich should evoke comfort and familiarity, a culinary creation that feels like home. It's a culinary hug in a lunchbox, a reminder of childhood picnics, rainy afternoons, and the simple joys of life. Each bite should transport you back to those cherished moments, making every sandwich a small celebration of British tradition. To understand a nation, one must first understand its cuisine. The sandwich reveals a great deal about the British character. Practical, resourceful, and fond of a hearty meal. Appreciate its rich history, cultural significance, and enduring appeal. It's more than just a meal, it's a national treasure, a culinary icon, and Britain's unofficial national dish.